Welcome to the StoryChief Academy. In this video, we'll explore the social post overview and its possibilities. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the social post overview feature in StoryChief. Discover how to sort and customize your posts, create filter segments, and perform various actions to optimize your content. Let's dive in. On the dashboard, click on Content and then Social Posts. Here, you'll see a list of your created post sets with all the details in a nice overview. The first usage is sorting, which can be useful for a long list of posts. To sort the table, click on the metric you like to sort on, such as the date. It's also possible to make the list more digestible by hiding some properties. Click on the grid button to deselect fields. Now they are not showing on the overview anymore. Another powerful feature is creating filter segments in the overview, which allows easy access to a group of filters and can be shared with external stakeholders. In the left sidebar, you see the default segments that are created. We'll create a new segment for our well-performing posts. Click on Add Filter and select Impressions. Fill in a number, such as 3000 and select Greater Than. Hit Done to apply the filter. Click on Save Filters and give the segment a name, such as Top Performing Posts. Finish by clicking the Save New Segment button. This new segment is now added to the left sidebar. The overview lets you quickly perform some actions as well, such as edit. This lets you edit the created social post. Report brings you to an analysis of the post set to provide insights into the performance of the content. See how many impressions, engagements, and clicks you have per channel. This information can help you optimize new content. Now back to the overview. The next option is Duplicate, which will create a copy of the existing social post, including the images and text. It's also possible to use Duplicate To. This allows you to duplicate a post to another workspace or another campaign. In the overview, you can manage the campaigns too. Click on Manage Campaigns and select an existing campaign from the drop-down menu or create a new one. Click on Update to confirm the selection. The last action is to delete your social post. Click on Delete, type Delete, and confirm. Besides individual post actions, it's also possible to change multiple posts at once. Select some or all posts on the left and notice the new action button appear. Click on Actions and select one of the actions. Delete the content and add them all to one of your campaigns. Or to work in a team, ask others to either collaborate or review. The last option allows you to duplicate multiple content pieces to other workspaces or campaigns. That's all for the social post overview. Go manage your social posts and turn the theory into practice. Curious for more? Check out our other videos.